Hey everybody, it's Alicia with Soci Masters, and I'm just taking a look at auto industry takeover, and I want to walk through it with you just really quickly because you're going to get some notices about it in your email. You're probably going to hear about how awesome it is and the software that comes with it. So let me just give you a quick rundown, show you the inside of the membership site as I've been logging in and taking a quick look at it today. And all right, let's just jump right in. So what auto industry takeover is, I'm just going to scroll down so you can see a little bit of it, is that this is for the automotive industry, but it's for the aftermarket niches. So when I think of automotive industry, I always think of used cars or car dealership. But this niche, they've gone into like that aftermarket, like the windshield repair, transmission, bodywork and paint, oil change shop, tire shops, full service mechanics. So this system, as we look at it, I'm just going to scroll you down through it. Really, as I've looked at it, it's like an SEO system that you're using to get lead gen for the auto industry. I took some notes as I was going through the training, and some of the things I loved about it was I was learning about how to drive leads for like the tire repair, the oil change, window repair. It's really great training. They've got a lot of proof of results, which is really important to me. So you can see, at Soci Masters, we always do these proof of results. So you can see the proof of results. It's also, when you look at the software, it's specific for this industry, and it really gets the client that you're working with results. It brings them in leads and rankings, and it's pretty slick, and you'll probably see a demo of it or look at it. So it's really plug and play, and as I was playing around with the plugin, as you could say, it was like just dropping in info and really simple. And I'm thinking, I was like, wow, this is something that my clients will pay me monthly for, and it's a really great foot in the door strategy to start to get into these niches. Like, I thought about it, how many tire shops and oil change shops I passed last time I was in, like the Orlando, Florida area, that always want more business. And the software is really powerful because it ranks pages very quickly and easily, as you'll read about, and it's a high selling service. Like, it's a service that these industries are willing to pay for. It ranks long tail keywords that bring them in new customers, which I thought was really important. What I found in going through the training was that it really included everything that I would need, that you would need to dominate these high value aftermarket automotive industry niches and build big time reoccurring income that sticks for years to come. So you can read this letter yourself. I don't have to really read it for you, but I'm just going to point out some really quick things. Like, I asked myself, so why the automotive aftermarket? Because I always talk about used car dealerships and car dealerships, but one of the great things about them is that they have a constant demand for marketing and for leads, and they desperately need marketing help. And I want you to just think about any auto repair shops or windshield repair, oil change that you've gone to recently, and how they're anxious for that new customer. Like, they always need new customers. It's also an $800 billion niche, and it's steadily growing. So, and if you think about all of these aftermarket automotive places that you pass on a daily basis, look next time you're driving and you'll see that there's so many of them. So the competition is fierce. So when you tell a business owner that you have something that will get them good leads, high rankings in the search engines, they're really going to listen. So you can read the rest of it. Let me just jump in, just take one more minute and jump into the membership site really quickly. So when you sign up today, you're going to get into this amazing membership site. This portal has everything that you need in it. I really recommend that you start off with the main video training. So that is, the first part. Start off with the main video training, really learn like why we're talking about the automotive aftermarket, and go through that section, the main video training. And then you'll find that the training is so complete, the membership site is so clean and easy to navigate through, that it really is a no-brainer for you to jump on, get, and learn something new. I thought to myself, like, even if I'm not going to do this today. I don't have any oil change clients today. I really wanted to grab the system so that I could think about, future clients. And even though I love to do social media for local businesses, I've never had one of these clients. So I'm like, this would be the perfect way to get into this niche, right? The windshield repair, transmission repair, bodywork and paint is through Auto Industry Takeover. All right, I've said enough. I'm just giving it my stamp of approval. I think it's really great. The inside, I'm showing you, I've been inside. The inside's really great, and I know that you'll love it. So really give it a good look. I promise you it will be well worth it. I promise you the training is awesome. The plugin is awesome. And great foot in the door strategy. If you've got these clients already, it's a great upsell. If you don't have them, use this as a great foot in the door strategy, a talking point, team it up with social media marketing, so much that you could do, but I promise you it's worth the look. All right, check it out. And I look forward to getting your feedback on what you thought about it and how you liked it. So check it out. And this has been brought to you by Soci Masters. Bye.